Is it the right time to make a move on Nvidia stock? Today, we're delving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was released on our website on January 8, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to receive the latest updates from us. It's important to stay informed about any potential market changes that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool. Powered by GPT-4, you can find it at StockInvest.us. This tool offers free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 5, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.51. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.43%. This means that on average, it has generated a return of 3.21% per day since being classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $537.49, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.69% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return lies between -1.14% and 16.94%. In the 12-month trend, there is a projected 120.27% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 97.56% to 157.56%. This means that the stock price could reach anywhere between $1,032.31 and $1,345.83 after a year. Our latest update on Nvidia reveals a significant development. Nvidia stock price experienced a strong surge on Monday. On the last trading day, Monday, January 8, 2024, the Nvidia stock price rose by 6.43%, climbing from $490.97 to $522.53. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be intriguing to see if this trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 5.65%, reaching a low of $494.79 and a high of $522.75. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has risen by 6.66% and has experienced gains in 6 out of the last 10 days. Furthermore, there was a positive technical indicator as the trading volume increased along with the price. A total of 22 million shares were traded, representing a significant increase compared to the previous day. The total trading volume amounted to 63 million shares, valued at approximately $32.86 billion. Within the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $522.75, while the lowest price was $151.41. Currently, the stock price is 0.04% or $0.220 below its 52-week high of $522.75, which also serves as the all-time high. Analyst ratings for Nvidia. On Monday, December 11, 2023, Cowen & Company gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, KeyBank gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we will be discussing the signals identified for Nvidia stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Nvidia. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there is support at $491.61 and $483.74. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 14.83%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals that can help guide your investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which recently gave a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots indicator, which indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a widely used indicator, also gave a buy signal just 1 day ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we see a buy signal that occurred 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 3 days ago. It's worth noting the relation between the short and long moving averages, which indicated a buy signal 43 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago, while the long-term moving average confirmed a buy signal 45 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 35 days ago. For more signals and in-depth analysis, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When it comes to support levels, Nvidia has some important ones to keep in mind. Just below today's level, the stock finds support at $495.22 and $487.16. It's crucial to pay attention to these levels, as there is always a risk involved when a stock is testing support. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of Nvidia, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $495.22, followed by $487.16 and $439.38. Fortunately, Nvidia is usually traded at a good volume, meaning there is enough activity to provide liquidity and stability. Additionally, the stock experiences minor daily changes, which helps keep the risk relatively low. Looking at recent performance, Nvidia has shown a daily volatility of 3.14% over the past week. This indicates that the stock has been experiencing relatively moderate price fluctuations. On the last trading day, the stock moved $27.96, representing a 5.65% difference between its high and low points. Before we discuss the potential good trading levels for Nvidia, let's begin by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high expectations for future growth. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at the potential day trading levels for Nvidia. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. As a trader, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a key indicator for determining when to exit. On the downside, we can identify the first support level for Nvidia at $495.22. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. Analysts collectively rate Nvidia as a strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 18, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 20,000 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hudson Dawn E sold 1,000 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Stevens Mark A sold 255,500 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Stevens Mark A bought 255,500 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Stevens Mark A sold 6,872 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -29.977. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 846,823 shares in total. We recommend setting the stop loss at $494.30, which is a decrease of 5.4%. This stock tends to have low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 21 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good investment? Nvidia shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on these factors, we believe it is a favorable choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. However, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued, considering the volatility in recent market movements. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 9th, we anticipate Nvidia to open with a decrease of -$9.17 and start trading at $513.36. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. At StockInvest.us, we provide valuable information, but it's crucial to understand that your investment choices are your own responsibility and you agree to bear any consequences. Welcome to our stock analysis. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.